a ship. People called it invincible. A grand palace built to conquer the seas, where luxury and pride intertwined. The grand staircase shimmered with light, and passengers walked with full confidence. Dreams and hopes for a new life floated in every corner. The night of April 14th, the sea was silent. The sky was shrouded in mist, darkness all around. It was as if peace itself had suddenly stopped. Suddenly, out of the darkness, a massive iceberg loomed. Everyone froze in shock. Time seemed to stand still for a moment. The ship's iron hull tore. The impact struck. Water rushed in. Panic spread. Everything seemed to halt. Passengers screamed as they climbed into lifeboats. Fear rippled through the icy air. The night became a cursed ordeal. The Titanic slowly sank into the waters. Lights went out. People vanished into the freezing depths. Beneath the sea lay immense wreckage. Rust shimmered in the sunlight, and the silence revealed just how fleeting humanity is before nature.